In this video, I want to show you how to synchronize your Pi network KYC status with your Pi mining app. So to do that, open your Pi browser. Then click on KYC. Here you can see the KYC status is tentative approval. And the information is that upon additional checks before migration, your KYC status was changed to tentatively KYC pending additional examination. Initially, this KYC was approved, but however, they said after some checks, they turn it to tentative. So further instruction will inform you next step to resolve the tentative status. Here, they brought in this notification, synchronize status on mining app. So let's click on it to synchronize it. So you can see status sent. The sync feature is a feature that allows pioneers to synchronize their KYC status with their mining app in case of any discrepancy. So as you have synchronized it, it should also reflect in your mining app in case there was a discrepancy in your mainnet checklist. So let's check it out to be sure of that. So launch the Pi mining app. Click on these three lines. Click on mainnet. Scroll down and click on mainnet checklist. So if you scroll down, you can see that all the steps are completed. There is no discrepancy. However, the KYC status is still tentative. So let's wait for them to see what they will do. This is how to synchronize with your mining app. Thank you for watching.